For me, we have to go take a shower soon. You have your doctor's appointment tomorrow, so you got to get nice and clean for your doctor. And best friend said that you smelled like stinky poo-poo and pee-pee. So you have to shower so you don't smell like stinky poo-poo and pee-pee anymore. You have anything to say about that? You're going to be a good boy today. You need to take a shower. Yep, you got to take a shower today because you have your vet tomorrow. You got to go to the doctor tomorrow. Mm-hmm. You just got to go get a checkup from the doctor. Yep, a checkup from the doctor. Hello, I love you. What are you doing? Are you going to go take a shower? Hello, hello, hello. Be nice. Be nice. What? Be a nice boy, please. Be a nice boy, please. Nice boys get to watch Hamilton. It is true. If you're a nice boy, you'll get to watch Hamilton. It is true.